आज के ज़माने में everybody tells niche down करो
हाँ,
you
ये
are telling
सोशल मीडिया की दुनिया.
नहीं, anyway
हाँ.
see it's like you become an athlete, you just become an athlete, give your 100%,
Yeah.
go into that diet zone,
Yeah.
go into that zone of not thinking anything else
Hmm.
is there in the like plan A, right? And I'm a person of plan A, that's not a problem. But what do you think, ये जो नीश वाली ज़माना आ गया है अभी कि आप 10 चीज़ों में अच्छे नहीं हो सकते हो, आप नीश डाउन करो, अपना खुद का एक वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ब्लू ओशन बनाओ, डोंट बी द रेड शार्क, you know, create something of your own and be the top person in it. It's a rule of marketing
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Create an own market.
Funnel kind of, yeah.
Yeah, correct. So what's your take on this?
Again, you know, so I don't believe in that personally,
Okay.
and I have my reasons not to, because when I say multi-potentialite, when I say a polymath, when I say those terms, I actually don't mean that you don't have to be on top of your game with everything that you're pursuing. It's not that you're doing things half-heartedly, but whatever you're doing in that particular moment, you are giving it your all. So that automatically becomes passion-driven as well. That automatically becomes empowering because you're giving it your all in that particular space and time. Now we have multiple dimensions of space and time. If I were to restrict you to 24 hours and then divide it into say 4 slots, right? And tell you, okay, एक slot में ये करना है, एक slot में वो करना है, एक slot में वो. आप नहाते भी तो हो, आप खाना भी तो खाते हो. Just because you're a podcaster doesn't mean that you can't bake really good cakes.
Correct.
Right? So my thing is, if you can do anything and everything as long as you know how to manage time and to master the skill of managing time along with your skill. So basically what that means is you're sharpening your skills, but with time. There is a clock ticking. And it doesn't take away, it doesn't negate from the fact that you could have multiple talents or you could be good at one and not be so good at the other. Then that means that you have to hone your skills. जो भी part weak है, उसको ज़्यादा time दो, उस पे ज़्यादा मेहनत करो, you know, like that. So for example, if I were to act, right, I know that when I'm going for rehearsals, I'm 100% there. I'm 110% there. But when I come back to my office, I'm there. I'm with my laptop. I'm not thinking about the character. I'm not thinking about the role. So when one thing doesn't sort of spill over the next and you're compartmentalizing all your passions or all your pursuits or all your things in a nice way, I think it's absolutely okay.
अच्छा, मेरे को बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज़ लग रही है यहाँ पे. आप एक एक्टर हो, मैं एक सिंगर हूँ, ठीक है. आई लव डूइंग स्टैंड अप, आई प्ले गिटार, आई एम लर्निंग पियानो.
A little bit.
Yeah, आई एम लर्निंग पियानो नाउ. गिटार तो आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग फॉर 5 years एंड आई लव डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. तो मुझे क्या लगता है, पता है, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये होती है कि when you are creative in some space,
You're creative in everything mostly.
exactly.
Yeah.
So what happens is that talent spills over to
Yes,
other compartments.
Absolutely.
You get it?
Yeah.
And आपकी जब creative energy वहाँ पे आपका मन खुश होता है ना, तो आप बाकी सारी चीज़ों में भी जाके 100% देते हो.
100% देते हो.
प्रॉब्लम आज के ज़माने में ये है कि मैं सिर्फ जॉब कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार, and there is a beautiful line that I have heard, the problem isn't 9 to 5, it's
Yeah.
the 5 to 9 that you don't work on your passion.
Yeah, yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And once that starts to take over and वहाँ पे आपका टाइम बच ही नहीं रहा कि मैंने 5 to 9 पूरा दे दिया उस चीज़ के लिए जो मैं जॉब के अलावा कर रहा हूँ, जिससे मैं प्यार करता हूँ या जो भी मुझे करना है.
आप कभी बर्नआउट नहीं करोगे, कभी नहीं करोगे. इफ यू एंजॉय व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, आई डोंट थिंक यू विल एवर बर्न आउट. फिजिकली हाँ, आप बीमार पड़ सकते हो थोड़ा बहुत फॉर अदर रीजंस, because you're obviously working, you give yourself proper rest and you do things you want to do. I don't think there is anything called burnout then.
I think the world is heading towards the same multi-potential light and generalist approach.
Yes.
So the world is heading towards this generalization. So there is a person A, there is a person B. Let's take example कि एक जो person A है वो सिर्फ एक task कर सकता है अच्छे से.
Specialist type.
Yeah, he's a specialist and maybe he's the most brilliant video editor. But somebody else is not just video editor but he's also a storyteller. He's an excellent communicator. He's an excellent team player. तो जब मैं यहाँ पे patterns add करने लगता हूँ ना, that becomes a personality.
Absolutely. It's a package.
Yeah, it's a package.
When we're hiring for jobs in our marketing business, you know, and when we send out JDs, हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होने चाहिए, इतना एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, ये आता है तो यू नो ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स, ये आता है तो ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स. नाउ इफ आई हैव 2 CVs and I know that one person has done an MBA and whatever and they might be really good at one thing, but I know that this other person can do multiple things. You know, my immediate thing is, yeah, let's go for him because he can handle multiple. There's so many aspects to the business world also that we kind of tend to forget and overlook. And then this entire debate of journalists versus the specialists आ जाता है, you know, कि एक ठीक है, I understand, obviously to master something in that capacity is great, but does that mean that you shouldn't know the rest of the, you know, things associated with it? No. Have knowledge, you know, and knowledge is empowering, any form of knowledge. So the idea, वही मतलब I guess, you know, it's all, I think it's how you maneuver your personality, the package that you are, you know, and present it to the world.
मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है ना सोनम, सो आई हैव बीन इनटू लेट्स से एम्प्लॉय, अभी तो चलो हम एक फाउंडर वाले कैटेगरी में आ जाते हैं, बट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर बिकॉज आई वाज एन
transitioned from an
एम्प्लॉय,
yeah.
एग्जैक्टली. सो उस चीज़ को हम अंडरस्टैंड कर पाते हैं. सो व्हेन आई वाज इन दिस होल कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, राइट, लेट्स से, तो उसके अंदर आई अंडरस्टूड दिस. जैसे मेरा रोल था प्रोग्रामर का, आई एम एन इंजीनियर बाय प्रोफेशन. सो मेरे से एक्सपेक्टेशन थी कि यू डू दिस एंड देयर शुड बी नो टेक्निकल एरर्स इनटू, राइट. दैट वाज द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ माय जीडी. बट व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि ये तो मेरा बेयर मिनिमम है, इसमें तो गलती करनी ही नहीं है, इसके अलावा मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ सो दैट आई स्टैंड आउट. सो आई बिकेम अ कंसल्टेंट, आई बिकेम अ बेटर कम्युनिकेटर, आई स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग अदर पीपल, एंड देन दे सॉ मल्टीपल रोल्स नीरज हैड. नीरज वाज नॉट ओनली कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, ये प्रोग्रामिंग तो कर ही रहा था, उसको मैंने नेल कर दिया. सो दैट इज द अप्रोच दैट आई फॉलो इन लाइफ. If you're good at something, nail it. Once you have nailed it, start understanding ki what is the things that gives you an edge.
Correct.
Just an edge. I don't want to be the bloody best guitar player in the world. I just want to do it for me.
Yeah.
Just कि मेरे को कभी किसी ने अगर open mic पे बोल दिया ना गिटार बजा सकता है, हाँ बजा सकता हूँ भाई.
क्यों नहीं आता? हाँ,
Now
exactly.
that gives you an edge.
Yeah.
Because at that point of time अगर किसी ने हाथ भी नहीं लगाया गिटार को, you will be confident enough to at least play one song out of it.
Yeah.
Now that will make you a huge crowd turner, and you did not do anything special.
Yeah.
You just were more aware and you took one simple action before you were on the stage. And that's why I love Muhammad Ali. Because he used to tell this that I'm a champion outside the ring. And I've shared this example multiple times. He used to, and a journalist asked him, why do you think that? You know, he said, I've beaten him in every aspect outside the ring. How can he beat me inside? How is that possible?
Yeah.
He said, if he does 100 push-up, I start counting after my 100. So that's my 1. If he does 10 pull-ups, I will do 10 and then I'll start counting 1. वो तो मेरा basic है. So if I have beaten him in every physical aspect, every mental aspect, how can he beat him?
So cool.
It's simple as that.
Yeah.
You know,
It's a mindset thing also.
it's a mindset thing.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to summarize here is कि become a specialist in one and then become
Work
a
around
generalist
it.
in other.
Yes.
You don't need to, and people, that's why people go wrong. हर एक को मास्टर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. You have limited time in this life,
Yeah.
right? And you love one thing the most, maybe the one thing that gives you the most bang for buck.
Yeah.
करते रहो. Then you are an actor, you love acting. I'm a singer, I love singing. I love writing as well. So why not? I'm an author, I'm a singer, I'm a
Same
podcaster.
here, yeah.
Just
I
like
write,
you.
know, sometimes, like you said, creativity spills over. Coming
Exactly.
back to that point, there was this very interesting thing I read, and it was about creative people and how creative people channel their expression. They may not be the most expressive in real life to people in relationships around them, but then the whole idea of creativity is what? It boils down to that you want to hide the source. And source of what? Everybody has pain in some capacity. Everybody
Exactly.
has shortcomings, hardships. There is no life on this earth that is without
Hardship.
Yeah. So it's all about hiding the source and then presenting it in a way that you're healing others. So it is such an all-encompassing service to humankind, creativity, to be creative, that I think that there is nothing else. There is nothing else beyond it. If you're a creative, and I think every human in some capacity, shape or form is creative. Whether it's a programmer, whether it's an IT person, because हमें नहीं पता ना वो घर पे क्या करते हैं.
Yeah.
There are so many people I meet on a daily basis who are these hardcore white collar professionals and very sort of क्या बोलना चाहिए, stoic personalities and बिल्कुल ही constipated from the face, but they have beautiful talents that they've perhaps nurtured somewhere in the shadows, somewhere in the green room, somewhere or the other behind the curtains, and that is what makes them creative. But obviously they choose to present themselves differently, and that is their choice. That is how they present themselves to the world. So the whole idea is of journalists and the entire, like you said, you choose one thing, and because the number of hours in a day are finite, 24 के अलावा हमें कुछ +1
मिलता
तो
नहीं
मिल
है।
नहीं रहा है।
हाँ।
तो उसमें सोना भी है, खाना भी है, सब कुछ करना है, फैमिली भी देखनी है, कुत्ते भी घुमाने हैं, मतलब बहुत ही कुछ है। मतलब छोटे छोटे माइक्रो टास्क, यू नो, थर्ड वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स एड्रेस करनी है अपनी, मोटर नहीं चल रही,
हाँ।
गाड़ी का पहिया फ्लैट हो गया, यू नो,
Flat
ऑल
हो
ऑफ
गया,
दैट।
yeah,
सो
yeah.
ऑल ऑफ दैट हैज़ टू बी कवर्ड एंड देन यू हैव टू डू समथिंग टू मेक अ डिफरेंस. The idea is to not lose focus.
Yeah.
Consistently, every day, little by little, that entire compounding effect, sticking to the purpose, which is your higher purpose.
You brought in a very interesting tangent is कि how to not lose focus
Yeah.
while आपकी calling चाहे कुछ भी हो.
हाँ.
राइट हाउ डू यू इंश्योर कि मेरा फोकस लूज ना हो. मैं भले आर्टिस्ट से लेके यहाँ पे आ रही हूँ, यहाँ से लेके वहाँ पे जा रही हूँ. हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट लूज माई फोकस वाइल आई एम जगलिंग.
I can't. It is impossible for me to lose focus because
I like it.
everything I'm doing is converging.
Oh.
So everything is converging at in one direction. So
Okay.
whether I'm doing this or this, ये हर एक चीज़ मीट कर रही है एक ही जगह पे.
अच्छा.
तो वो फोकस तो लूज होएगा ही नहीं मेरा. अगर मैं म्यूजिक बना रही हूँ तो वो मेरा वो दैट इज़ लव फॉर मी, यू नो. म्यूजिक, इफ आई एम मेकिंग आर्ट, दैट इज़ मेडिटेशन फॉर मी. If I'm sitting down doing my marketing work, that is thought process. That is like me with my creative juices flowing and me discussing things with my, you know, company people and my partners and stuff. That is again very, very interesting. Everything is interesting and it all converges.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.